Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about paintlishop.com review? If yes, then watch this video till then, and by the end of the video you will be able to understand either you should shop from this website or you should use this website or not, as the website is getting attention from all over the world, especially from customer of United States. So they are curious to know about the legitimacy of this website. This is gift shopping stop for you to show the care and love you have for your loved one and dear one. Means the website helps you preserve those happy moments in a unique and fun way. As a customer, you can order a customized paint by number canvas for any picture and even get a personalized puzzle from any picture of their choice. Moreover, the products sold on this website are on sale. It should not divert from the question about its legitimacy. So let's check out the specification of the website. It is HTTPS secured website. It was registered by the owner on 27th July 2021. Means just 3 months old website. They are having customized puzzles, canvas painting and related products on their e-commerce website. They have not shared their contact number, but email address have been shared. As far as payment methods are concerned, as a customer, you can make payment via Google Pay, PayPal, ShopPay, credit cards like Discover, Visa card, MasterCard, American Express, and more. Means they have multiple payment methods. As far as shipping and delivery policies are concerned, it delivers its product internationally to the countries like United States, and the custom products may take 3 to 5 business days to process the order. As far as its return policy is concerned, the customer can return the product within 30 days of receiving them. The product must return with tags in original packaging and same condition. As far as its refund policy is concerned, when the return is inspected, the company actually will notify if the refund is approved or not, and when the refund is approved, it will be made to the original payment method. The positive point of the website are you can get easily customized product, customer friendly policies, and free standard shipping. The negative point of the website are the content is copied with low trust score, short domain age and domain expiration period. They have limited products. So the question is Paintly legit or a scam? So let's check out the detail in depth. As far as this trust score is concerned, it is 1 out of 100, which is extremely horrible. Trust rank is 7.5 out of 100. Domain age is about 3 months 25 days. It will expire right after 1 year on 27th July 2022. It has poor Alexa ranking. We could not find trustable feedbacks or rating from any outside source. As far as policies are concerned, they are customer friendly and clearly state the content is copied from other online website. No detail on about us page. No social media links have been shared, and the honest details are hidden. As we always look for reviews when we are checking out the legitimacy of any website, as we it gives us a lot of help. So if we could not found any review, which means we are not verifying the website, as the reviews and rating on the website can hardly be considerable and genuine. So we searched for some genuine reviews on internet for this website, but unfortunately we could not found any. So in the end we can say that as the website no doubt claims to sell customized products like personalized puzzles and custom paint by numbers, but when we check out all the detail we found it a suspicious website. So we are not recommending you at all to use this website for shopping. And if you have personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your views and experience by ordering from this website. We love to hear from you.